Alright, you guys, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I'm here with another template preview, and here it is. This is a thing of lotion that I got from Bath and Body Works, and I created this template. As you see, it fits pretty much perfectly on this lotion bottle. You guys, this was a request from my Patreon page, and of course the measurements and video for this is going to be over there as well. But you guys, this one was like a difficult one because I was really searching for like an example of, you know, one that someone did, and I could not find nothing. So I'm not sure if this is what she had in mind, like a whole template to cover it, or, you know, I don't know. This is what I came up with though. I will take it apart just so you can see that it fits perfect. Come on. As you can see, like, it's barely any room. And there you go. Bath and Body Works lotion bottle template is going to be on my Patreon page. If you have any questions at all, thanks. If you have any questions at all, thanks. That doesn't even make sense. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.